So welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing Father's Day cooking. Yes guys, as you can see I have some kingfish seasoned here and I'm about to fry them and cook them down. I was going to escovitch them, but I decided not to because I already cooked escovitch fish this week. What is this guys? This is like a leaf. Guys, so I just use my salt and black pepper. I don't really use a lot of things when I'm frying my fish because it really doesn't need that much. Remember when you start your fish to always wash it off with lime juice. After you tip a little vinegar in the water and throw away the vinegar water. You have to do it quick because vinegar just let the fish get soft. Vinegar will let the fish get very soft and you don't want that to happen. My oil is very hot and I'm about to put in the fish into my oil. Be careful guys. I'm used to this stuff. You have to be careful. You can see I have my cabbage here to make my coleslaw. So I'm going to wash them and soak them in salt water for approximately 5 minutes. You can see guys, I'm adding my salt and soak them. Guys, comment down below why you think people wash vegetables in salt water. I am turning my fish. I'm not frying them too dry because I'm going to cook them down. Yes guys, if you like to fry your fish dry before you cook them down, you can do that. But I don't normally fry my fish too dry whenever I'm going to cook them down. You see the color that it has? And guys, don't forget, whenever you are frying fish, just remember, if you try to turn the fish and it's sticking to the pot, that means the fish is not ready to be turned. The fish does release itself when it's ready to be turned. Okay? The fish in the pot, as you can see. I don't know what I'm going with the island. I don't know what I'm going with it. You know? But yes guys. So the first is fried and I place them back into the same pan that I seasoned them because this seasoning is good for when you're cooking down the fish, you know? Yes guys. See that? Yeah. And I'm ready to grate them. Yes guys. This is coleslaw. As you know, I am making more than one different dishes. So I go in and I grate my cabbage to make my coleslaw. Who remember growing up on grater and coconut? Yeah, I remember grater and coconut and the little part that we have to turn them like this and grate them out. So you see guys, one piece is almost great. So I'm gonna split this right here on this napkin. Yes guys. Oh, I love this cabbage. Purple cabbage. Guys, you can see I'm almost finished grating my cabbage. Yes, guys. And you gotta be careful when doing this because you don't want to get those fingers. You know? I don't really go straight down on these because trust me, I'm not about to get my finger. No. I'm not about to do that. So this is the last piece, guys. Yes, guys, get into it. Yes, guys, just wait for the finishing product. My carrots, well, shred. My mom would say shred. Well, that's the right word, right? See that? Got to shred that carrots in a coleslaw. Yes, guys, get into it. I have a lot more stuff coming your way. So today I'll be showing you how I make multiple stuff. They don't know this is a Father's Day vlog. You know? Father's Day cooking vlog. Look at that. Yeah. This guy's no filter. So let's give it to him as real as it can get. You know? I should have used the finer part though, because look at this, guys. It gives a different, but it's gonna look like it's great. So I don't really, yeah, gonna look like it's great. I don't want to get that. Just, I don't know if you like your coleslaw crunchy. I like to have my coleslaw crunchy. So this size is very good. Okay? Guys, if it's soggy, it doesn't make sense. And always make sure you use, you see that, firm, solid carrots to make your coleslaw. You understand? And guys, please wash those vegetables in salt water. Please, you would thank me later. Because sometimes it have bugs, etc. Yes, guys. You can see I'm mixing these together, but I haven't had my, wow, look at this, guys. Everyone make mistake, right? I might see more in it. See, I don't work with these big stuff. I gotta get it smooth and refined. So guys, I am also going to add stuff to this. My mayonnaise, a little sugar, a little salt. Not too much salt, just like a pinch of salt to kick the flavor. You don't need too much salt because trust me, with that mayonnaise, this coleslaw, it will get salty. So you gotta be careful. Guys, I just add my salt and I'm mixing. I just mix as I go. I like to mix in my ingredients, you know. Yes, guys, you got to mix in that ingredients. Then I'm gonna go by adding my sugar. Yes, guys, you gotta get that sugar in. This is my way of doing it, and trust me, guys, they say self-praise is no recommendation, but my family, they can tell you about this coleslaw. They can tell you how much they love it, how much they love my coleslaw. Guys, this could eat just like this, without even adding the mayonnaise. It could eat just as it is. Yes, guys, just get into it. Don't be afraid to work in those ingredients. Don't be afraid. Just working all ingredients. See that? You see it kind of glistening? That's the sugar. Guys, so as you can see, my mayonnaise. See that? a little messy sometimes. Don't worry. Get into it, guys. Don't be afraid to mix in that ingredients, you know. Don't be afraid. Tell y'all before. Don't be afraid to get that ingredients in. Guys, and trust me, I'm a person, I will cook so much dishes without even tasting it, and I know it tastes good. Ask me, oh, I don't know, it's just natural. Like, I just cook so many dishes and I don't even taste sometimes, and I'm like, oh, the hell, this tastes so good, and I didn't even taste it, you know. Yes, I'm gifted. This is just my thing, and I love to cook, so I enjoy doing this, guys. So you can see this is the finishing product, guys. I hope it can hold in this. Yes, guys, look at finishing product. I want some. Inbox me if y'all want some. And yes, guys, if you're in the Atlanta area, DeKalb, don't forget, every Tuesday I just do my little cookouts. Yes, guys, where I sell my food. It's Curry Kitchen. Yes, guys. As you can see, I'm about to fry these plantain. So the oil there hot. Yes, guys, I have my corn over here. I'll be doing coconut butter corn. Yes, guys, that's what I just said. Coconut butter corn. The steam is so hot, but because I'm used to it, it's not doing me nothing. Yes, so as you can see, these corn are almost finished cooked. And I'm gonna cook them down in the butter and coconut sauce. Guys, y'all know it's a mixture of stuff I'm preparing, so you're not gonna see everything going straight. I'm just giving it to you just as how I am doing it. Yes, guys. So I don't really like when my oil is too hot before I put in my plantain, because it will make the plantain get dark before it actually fried. Get into it, guys. So the peas are cooked. Yes, guys. No tin peas. I'm going to take the plantain out the pot right now. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So it's gonna be a little spicy. So I'm adding in some crushed pepper. I don't know why this thing don't come out. It's new, guys. I just opened it. Okay. I'm adding in a little crushed pepper, black pepper seeds. Yes, guys, black pepper seeds. Really? Yes, guys. Just wait for my finishing product, okay? Guys, as you can see here, I have my butter with a little crushed pepper in it, and I have my coconut milk right here. I'm going to pour them in now. Okay, guys, be careful, don't let it burn you. Yes, guys, you have to do it the right way. Yeah. Whew, look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. And it's not done yet. Look at this. Look at niceness. I know y'all want some, right? For my coconut buttered corn. Well, as I should say, spicy coconut buttered corn. Yes, guys. See, I have my lettuce here. I'm about to cut them up. Yes, guys. Yes, I like to cut up my lettuce. I already washed them in salt water. Actually, I soaked them for 5 minutes in the salt water. So it still have water running out. I'm going to drain those off when I'm finished. You know, when the water is soggy up the vegetable, you know. I don't really have a special way to cut my lettuce. I just cut them anyhow, you know. Not really cutting them any specific ways. I'm just going through them. Just gonna see my lettuce here. I am going to drain the water off because it's a little water here, you see, from when I wash them. Yes guys, you gotta soak these vegetables. So yes guys, I'm shredding my carrots. Just shredding a little carrot over it guys, not too much, just enough. Father's Day vlog. Yes guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share guys. Please don't forget, like, comment and share. Subscribe guys, don't just watch the video, subscribe. And guys, I just take constructive criticism. As I am saying, if y'all see that I do something and you would think that I could do it better, y'all could comment about it. Don't have to say it bad or inbox me, okay, do this way. Okay guys? Yes guys. So you see there what I have? I'm going to turn this over into a bowl. So there you have it guys. My fresh vegetable, lettuce and carrots. Yes guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my video. I'm not finished with you guys yet. I'm on to the rice and peas guys. Cooked, and I'm about to season my pot with the coconut milk, my pepper, my rosemary, my pimento, my bell pepper and onion. You can see there, and my coconut milk. And peas guys, yes guys, get into it. Just wait for the finishing cut. Now I'm heading over to cook down my fish guys. Yes guys, I'm going to cook down the fish and that's it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, my sister had jerked some chicken, my baby sister. Yes, baby sis has jerked some chicken. Yes, this is our thing guys. I don't like to jerk chicken, I'm being honest guys. As you can see, I have my onion, my bell peppers, my hot pepper, habanero, carrots and my onion here. I'm making my pot hot. Here is the fish over here. I'm making the pot hot. Then you're gonna see everything. I'm frying up my seasoning. Yes guys. Ooh, get into it. I actually had ketchup, a little ketchup to it also. Yes guys, so I'm placing the fish into the pot. So guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Wait for the finishing product, guys. Look at this, guys. Yes, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Okay guys, just get into it. Get into all that. Yes guys, look at it. Yes. Yes guys, don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and share. This is Curry Kitchen. There you go. This is my dad's plate. Happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers out there. I'm not talking about the sperm donor them. I'm talking about the real father them. When recognize them kids every day and not just when a Father's Day them post them up and they say, oh, I'm a father. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.